What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone apps are crashing and not working properly. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The first thing you should try is updating and restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple update can fix the issue. To do this, go to your Settings, select General, and then select Software Update. Make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and let it download and install the update. Once it's finished, restart your iOS device. Next, check if the app that's crashing is up to date. Go to the App Store, look up the application, and check if the app you're having issues with is outdated. If it is, select Update and let it download and install the latest version. While in your App Store, scroll down on the apps page and, under Compatibility, you'll be able to see which iOS version and device is required to run the app. Another thing to check is if you have any background apps running. Double-press the Home button to bring up your recently used apps, or swipe up slowly on newer devices. Swipe up on any apps that you're currently not using to close them. It's also important to test and improve your network connection. Make sure you're in a strong signal area and try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular and vice versa. Sometimes, this can prevent apps from crashing which require a download to properly launch. If the problem persists, try reinstalling or offloading the app. To reinstall, hold down the app icon until it starts wiggling and then select Delete. Go to the App Store and download the app again. To offload the app, go to your Settings, select General, and then select iPhone Storage. Find the app in question and select Offload App. While in your storage settings, you should also make sure that you have enough available space. Sometimes application will read and write data in the background and require some storage to properly work. Any recent changes to your iPhone settings, such as restricting background data or parental control settings, can prevent apps from starting up properly. Tap on Screen Time in your main settings. Here, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to disable any currently enabled restrictions. This also includes app and communication limits. Tap on App Limits and make sure that these are not hindering you from opening up apps on your iPhone. Lastly, make sure that any external peripherals are disconnected and that screen sharing is off. Sometimes, these can cause issues with apps crashing. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.